Hey guys, I'm back with another dog walking video. Sorry, I kind of just forgot to record for a bit. Yeah, I had a great weekend. Lots of fun. Yeah. Shadows in this video. Oh, that's another dog. That's not good. Anyways, we're gonna take the same trail as last time if you watched the other video, which I don't think too many people did watch. Still. I'm here with my brother today. If you want to say hi, go ahead.
Hi guys. Yeah, hi.
Yeah. So, Kai recently, he started to lick his foot.
Yeah, it has an infection.
Has infection.
Yeah,
Or
actually,
maybe not an infection, but
it's like red.
yeah, so his foot, it's like white when it should be like black. I don't know, but point is he got a foot infection or something like that, and we gave him the cone of shame. I know you guys are asking, or probably thinking, or maybe neither, because this video is probably not gonna get seen. But if you are watching it, I know you're probably thinking, how come Kai doesn't have the cone of shame on? That's because we took it off just so he could walk, do his business in the trees, mark his territory. I think he learned by now not to lick his foot anymore, but he was doing that for a bit. Again, if you guys have any suggestions for games I should play over the weekend, just let me know. Because I haven't really gotten any suggestions. But yeah. I don't know if you guys remember this from last time, but it's still here 1 week later. Yeah. It's been there for a while, but yeah. This is like a really beautiful park. Or walk, whatever. Path, I don't know. Sorry, I just sneezed there. It's like a bunch of pollen in there. I don't know. Just my allergies started kicking in. My brother, he's also his allergies. Also, he's been sneezing sometimes. Is that true?
Yes, it's true. Remember yesterday how I threw up?
You threw up yesterday? You did not throw up yesterday. No, there's no way.
Yes, I did.
When?
Ask mom and dad. Ask mom.
Really?
Ask mom. Yeah.
You did not. Whatever.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I got I swear I did.
All right. I believe you.
Uh,
So, my birthday was pretty recently, so I got a bunch of gifts.
Yeah.
And I had a really nice birthday. All my friends were there. Stuff. And his friends were also there. It was fun. Should I make more videos with my brother? If so,
say yes.
leave a comment. As of this recording, I don't think the other video got any views, which is kind of sad, but it's chill. Is that like a drill? Do you hear that? You hear that? That's a drill, right?
No, it's not. Yeah.
What are they doing over there? Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, then again, it's still just a beautiful path. It's really nice. My brother asked if we could show you guys the park in our neighborhood.
Come on. Can't wait.
We're not going to the park.
You're gonna get scurvy.
You don't even know what that is.
Yes, I do.
Whatever. We're like at the end of the path. We have this nice roundabout over here. It's a pretty nice roundabout. Oh, we're gonna start heading on some sidewalk. That's fine.
Can we show them?
Come on, Kai. Come on.
The Halloween people put pumpkins like all around it. Pretty cool.
Yeah. I don't know why. It's like one day they'll put one and then they'll wait another week and then they'll put another one. And then the next week they'll put like 5. It's a lot of pumpkins, so just like place it on there. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll show you if we have a Halloween video.
Yeah, but that's not till October. As of this recording, it is currently April.
31st?
Is it? I don't think it's April 31st.
29th? I think it's the 29th.
No, it's the 22nd.
That's what I said.
No, it is not.
You should have. Guys, comment if I said 22nd.
You said 29.
I still said 22nd.
No, you said 31st and then you said 29. And you were scrambling between. You understand,
Guys,
these videos don't get that many views.
Comment Big Bro is deaf.
Whatever. I'm at 11 subscribers, which is pretty good for me. Yeah. That's pretty good for a 2-week account, maybe. I don't know. Oh. You know, my dogs are so funny. They like keep moving their tails, so it's like spinning like a pig. It's hilarious. Oh. It's nice plants. Yeah, people have beautiful trees. Like, look at all of this. My brother's actually going on vacation this week. Or this weekend.
Going on a cruise.
Yeah, he's going on a cruise. Yeah, he's going on a cruise with my dad.
Yeah.
And I get to stay with my mom.
I'm leaving Friday, guys. So tomorrow is my last day. Going on a cruise. And tomorrow I pack for the cruise. And you know the best thing about
How long is it? Like,
I come back Monday.
okay, that's pretty good.
But you know what the worst part is? I still have to go to school right after the plane.
Yeah, the same thing happened to me. We woke up
So
early,
sucky.
went to the airport. I had to come back, and we still went to school.
Yeah. That was like last year.
Yeah. Look at Kai's little feet. They just waddle up. Look at that. Anyways, I don't know what's wrong with like my videos. They keep like getting chopped up into two. So that's why I keep making part 1s and part 2s. And it's really annoying. Like, I know, like, there was one time when I was recording that Slap Battles video, and I accidentally hit the stop video at like the 6-minute mark. And that's on me. But after that, I keep hitting the other stuff. Whoa, Kai.
How much time do you get?
What do you mean?
What time do you have now?
I got a lot of time.
Oh, you have 24 hours.
So, I had a great day at school today. Yeah. Bro, you're not in my class. You don't know what happened. Oh.
Today was a holiday.
Yeah,
I'll just say
today's
today's
not a
an-
holiday. Today's not a holiday.
Now do we celebrate?
We didn't celebrate, bro.
Oh.
No, you only... It's because it was one of the teachers' birthdays.
What?
What do you mean, what? Why do you think... I don't know. One of the teachers. I didn't really know them.
Alright, I'll just say it was an easy day. Okay.
Whatever.
What?
It's a beautiful day. Look, clear skies. It's really nice. This is my neighbor's house over here.
Actually, that's 2 doors away.
Yeah, still neighbors.
Neighbor is 1 door.
No, because then we would only have 2 neighbors.
Yeah. That's right. 2.
No, everyone that lives here is our neighbor.
Oh.
Whatever.
Oh, neighborhood.
Guys, let me just say something. My brother is beyond stupid. Like, he doesn't
ask me some
understand.
math. Ask me some math.
I'm not gonna give you math. This is a video. People don't want to hear me give
1 plus 1 is 42, bro.
See what I mean? But
What?
I'm here, and I might make a video this weekend. I don't know. Well, bye.